You are looking at CyberKnife technology. Don't let this silent, smooth operator fool you. It packs a powerful punch, conquering cancerous and non-cancerous tumors with a cure rate between 88 and 97%.
But what it allows us to do is treat tumors that we otherwise wouldn't be able to treat over a period of time and manage cancer like a chronic disease, like diabetes or heart disease.
There's no cutting, blood, pain, or recovery. Patients listen to music as the flexible robotic arm quietly revolves around them with Tai Chi-like movements. They feel nothing as radiation beams packing the highest dose possible attack the tumor from dozens of different angles, significantly increasing the cure rate. The CyberKnife's pinpoint accuracy targets only the tumor. Healthy tissue is untouched. Recurring tumors can be zapped again and again.
This technology basically has saved my life, or at least the situations that I've been in at least 3 times.
So instead of regular cancer surgery where they cut into your body and remove a tumor, if you're a candidate, you might be able to come here to a CyberKnife center. Lie down on a bed like this, get your tumor zapped. A couple hours later, get up, go to lunch, dinner, or anything else you want to do.
You can go shopping, you can go to dinner, you can go to lunch, you can pick up your kids, you can do anything.
Another advance, its cruise missile technology can follow moving tumors, which is pretty constant just from breathing and the heart beating. That's why lung tumors can now be treated. Rita Iannacci's lung tumor is nowhere to be found.
I felt like something was being lifted off me. That was in the middle of the second treatment, and I felt some kind of inner relief.
The CyberKnife can seek out and kill tumors almost anywhere deep in the body. That includes the brain, spine, lungs, liver, neck, prostate, pancreas, and many more once deemed inoperable. Before CyberKnife, Rita was given 6 months to live. That was 4 years ago.
My prognosis is that I'm going to be fine for a long time to come.
The results have been extremely promising, and hopefully we'll be able to expand the indications as time goes on and we are able to learn more and more about it.
This is the mask that brain tumor patients have to wear while they're undergoing treatment. It helps keep their head in place and lying still. Patients say lying still is the toughest part about the whole process, and that's saying a lot. As they carry on with their lives, the tumors slowly dissolve over time, in many cases completely disappearing.
Believe that you can fight and that you can win the battle.
This is Into Tomorrow's health specialist, Marilyn Mitzel.